Hello everyone, thank you very much for joining me for today's snapshot. Today we're going to be talking about inflation and the NASDAQ and how to trade it. But before we do that, please take note of the following important information. Please note that CFDs are high-risk products and that you should be completely aware of the risks that they pose. Also, please note that this is a general market commentary only and does not constitute investment advice. And finally, these are our sources of information. Okay, thank you very much for that. Now, the adjustment in inflation expectation has been moving nominal yields fairly significantly, especially since non-farm payroll Friday. Now, this in turn has had an effect on the discount rates of present value calculations. And growth stocks in particular seem to have been hardest hit, and this is due to the timing of their cash flows. So as such, the NAS100, which is FXCM's proxy for the NASDAQ, has reacted strongly. Let's take a look at the chart. Alright, so what we have here is the US 10-year. Now this is a nominal yield. In other words, it's the real rate plus the adjustment for inflation. And you can see that after this blue vertical line, okay, so after that, this is non-farm payroll Friday, and after that, nominal yields have really been moving up quite aggressively, and especially yesterday when we had an absolutely phenomenal CPI number, and you can see this is the RSI of the nominal yield, and this is on the daily time frame. You can see here is the NAS100, and of course it has fallen quite strongly as the discount rates were adjusted. So what we want to do is we want to just keep an eye on the inflation adjustment here. There's a debate going on. The debate is inflation is transitory, or that there is actual inflation coming through from cost push pressures. Let's just end off with some key takeaways. The tension between transitory inflation and sustained inflation is currently being debated. There are strong arguments that are being made on both sides, from the low base effect to cost push factors. So we're watching this conundrum, we're watching it unfold with interest because valuations are likely to be impacted as discount rates adjust. I hope you found this snapshot useful. If you did, please go ahead, click on that subscribe button. I want to thank you for joining me, and I look forward to speaking with you again in the near future.